Do you ever feel like your wardrobe is always a mess no matter how many times you organized it? Or maybe you wish your closet looked more stylish, modern, and functional without spending a prosperity? Well, you are in the right place because in this video we are exploring wardrobe and closet organizer ideas 2025 that will completely transform the way you design, arrange, and use your storage space. Whether you have a big walk in wardrobe, a compact bullet in closets, or just a small corner in your room, these stylish and functional ideas will help you maximize space while making your wardrobe look like a dream. One of the biggest trends in 2025 is stylish yet functional wardrobe organizer. Gone are the days when closets were just plain shelves and hanging rods. Now designers are focusing on smart layouts that not only store your clothes but also display them beautifully. Think of glass wardrobe doors that give a sleek look, open shelving for handbags and shoes, and sliding drawers, divider for accessories. A stylish wardrobe does not just make your room look elegant, it also makes getting ready so much easier because everything is neatly visible and with reach. Let's be honest, clutter is the biggest problem in any wardrobe, but with the right organizer, you can say goodbye to the mess. Use multi-level hanging rods so you can hang twice as many clothes in the same space. Add pull-out baskets for belts and small items. Drawer divider or a game changer for keeping socks and undergarments perfectly in place. And here a tip, use vertical space. A lot of wardrobe waste the top area by adding extra shelving or stackable box. You instantly gain storage. These small organization hacks really add up and make your closet feel bigger than it is. This year, modular closets systems are trending big. These are flexible, customizable storage units that you can design based on your needs. For example, if you have a lot of shoes, you can add some more ranks. If you need extra space for long dresses, you can adjust and the hanging section. Some systems even come with built-in lighting slides, trays, and hidden compartments. The best part, they are perfect for both small and large wardrobe. So instead of a fixed boring design, you get a closet that grows and adapt with your lifestyle. Now, if you are on a budget or love adding a personal touch, DIY closet makeover are a fantastic option. You can start with simple things like adding peel and stick wallpaper inside your wardrobe for a stylish backdrop. Replace old handles with modern metallic covers to instantly upgrade the look. Add LED strips lights for a luxurious feel without spending too much. And don't forget about mirrors. A mirror inside or outside your wardrobe door not only make your space look bigger but also save the time when getting ready. With just a few DIY upgrades, your ordinary wardrobe can feel like a designer piece. Small wardrobes can still be super functional if you use space smartly. Use the inside of wardrobe doors for hanging organizer, perfect for jewelry, ties, or even shoe. Invest in slim hangers to save space and keep your clothes elegant. If your wardrobe has empty floor space, add rolling storage bins for seasonal clothes or bedding. Another great idea is using clear boxes so you can see what's inside without opening each one. And remember, good lighting is a key. A well-lit closet always feel more organized and welcoming. So, whether you want a stylish luxury inspired wardrobe or just a simple functional closet that makes your daily routine easier, 2025 is all about smart designs, modular system, and space saving hack. The best part is you don't always need a big budget to achieve it. Even small changes like better organizer, lighting, or DIY upgrade can transform your space completely. Now, tell me in the comments which wardrobe or closet organizer idea are going to try first. I did love to know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to the Decor Diary. Thanks for watching.